Blowing a big lead is always entertaining. A California showdown, the Kings versus the Clippers. CP3 a floater from behind the free throw line. That's some cheese. Blake Griffin goes behind the back and pops a mid-range. Clippers feeling good here in the third quarter. Even DJ's in the post, a spin move and a slam. And the and one, and then Blake Griffin attacks. Back off to DJ, another slam. The Clippers are beating them up in the paint, being straight bullies. Paul Pierce, he's about to retire. He's still hitting that step back mid-range leaning. 18-point lead, but the Kings would mount a comeback. Look at this, less than 5 minutes to play. They go on an unbelievable run, hitting shot after shot, three after three. How do you blow this lead at home? It's a 6-point game. A steal off the inbound, splash! The bench is going crazy. They need a timeout. Doc Rivers is not happy. Under 2 minutes to play. Pass almost goes out of bounds. They still get it. Shot clock is winding down. Shot clock, cheese from three, splash! It's a 1-point game. Can you believe it? Pick and roll, CP3, Blake Griffin. He didn't want to take the shot. Why not? Why did Blake Griffin pass that? The Kings have timeouts. They're not calling it. They're going for it at the buzzer. Miss layup, rebound, but put up and in by Willie Cauley-Stein with 1.3 seconds left. Blake Griffin choking, passing up a wide open mid, and they give up the lead here with 1.3 seconds. Doc Rivers is gonna go to CP3 off a screen for the game. He has a good look, and it's off, and the Clippers blow an 18-point lead at home. James Harden might have wrapped up the MVP award with this game. He becomes the first player in NBA history to score 2,000 points and get 2,000 assists in the same season. And he did it against Russell Westbrook, the other candidate for MVP.